Okay, we got her connected on life support here. Got a good battery here. Well, what we think is a good battery. Anyways, got the... Yeah, I was a little confused there with that being red too. But anyways, we're trying to get this 454 going. Gonna put it, put that on there. I'll see if we can get this to go. Pants is under there right now getting the dust cover off. He's gonna see if that flywheel needs to be moved a little bit with a large flat handle screwdriver. So yeah, hopefully this thing will turn over. Alright, so it did move, so it's not seized. So into the meth lab we go. Well, I took off the air breather and dumped out the mouse junk, all the mouse turds and everything. I think this looks like a non-EGR. Yeah, no EGR on this thing. Okay, so this key was really stiff. Let's try her out. What if we give that starter a hit? Do we have a hammer handy? I'll give that starter a hit with a hammer and a pry bar. Yeah, so just try hitting it. Keep hitting it. It's not gonna come.
Yeah, starter's pooched.
Yeah, well, I'll take that starter off then. What a pain. Okay, so we got another starter and we're plopping it inside. We took some jumper cables and tried to bypass some of this rat's nest of wires. Oh boy. I had a new old one lying around forever from back in the old engine, the old Skylark engine. Isn't that right, Pants?
Back in the old days.
Back in the olden days, and I had that other Chevy 350 in it. The one that had 2 cylinders that went bad. Okay, so as you can see, we got a little bit more work to do. We just gotta eliminate all the other wires that are there. On the starter itself, there's 2 negative cables going down to the bottom of the starter itself, and then it's actually hardwired for 2 wires, but you can tell that there's been electrical issues before on this engine or on this RV, maybe grounding issues, and anyways. So what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate all that, and then we're going to see if we can get her going that way, because right now we're just kind of spinning our wheels trying to fight with what we have. So we need to eliminate all that garbage wiring.